it's Trevina with TMB Designs, and as you can tell by the title, today is going to be an extreme spring cleaning. Now, looking behind me, you would think everything is fine and pristine. Now, this space is glamorous because I just finished doing a spring tablescape collaboration with some of my YouTube sisters, so that space is top notch. Loving it. It's clean, everything is great, but the monstrosity of it all is going on behind you. So let me flip the camera so you can see what we're going to tackle today. Okay, fam, this is where it all goes down. This is our former living room, aka filming room, aka crafting room, aka sorting room for all things event planning. And for that reason alone, it is the catch-all for most events that I have. So I have to make sure that I keep this space as organized as possible. But sometimes it turns into a mess before you see the masterpiece. And that is the case now. I am in between spring cleaning and redecorating. So let's get cracking. As I do with most spaces in my home, I start by removing everything that does not belong. Because I'm doing twofold in here, it's kind of chaotic, but we're going to whip it into shape. So here I'm just removing, again, all of the items that don't belong in this space, starting with mail, boxes, any other items that belong in other spaces in my home. I put them in their rightful place, and then I begin to clean and organize. As I stated, this space houses most of my event planning items when I'm getting ready to prepare for different ones coming up. And I've been shopping for a really fun milkaholic baby shower, and I want to show you guys how cute is that. I even found matching straws and balloons to go with the theme, so I love it when I find pieces like that. Also, while I was out shopping for that, I found some really nice picks to add to my floor spring decor, and I'm going to use that paint to do some glam overs in my home. And I'm just sorting everything out, again putting it where it belongs so that I can get the room whipped up into spring shape. I also found these really cute boxes, you guys, from Dollar General. They were $1.50 for the big ones and 50 cents for the small one. Couldn't believe it, but I love it when I find deals like that. Continuing on with my sorting, putting everything away. I like to leave items out that I may possibly use for the design when I'm redecorating. So because I'm doing twofold, you see a little bit of decor items out, and then you'll see cleaning items out. But believe me, I'm gonna get it whipped into shape. Let me rephrase that. We're going to get it whipped into shape. So hopefully you're getting motivated to get your home spruced up for spring. I love to shop my home, so that's why most items are just kind of laid out. I take inventory of what I already have so that I don't overspend and purchase items that are not necessary to buy. Although we're spring cleaning, it is very much still winter in my state. So you see our coats were out, but I'm putting everything away so that I can at least feel like it's spring inside the home, although it's very winter outside the home. And here, you guys, I am opening up or unwrapping several of the picture frames. I've been collecting these from Hobby Lobby. You see me dancing there. I'm listening to one of my favorite gospel artists, Canton Jones, so I like to get motivated while I'm cleaning. But these, you guys, are some picture frames. They were from Hobby Lobby, as I stated, and they had a floral design in them, but I had the Photoshop take those pics out and put in some pics from our wedding. And I'm going to start with just a few just to see how many my space can hold. But I want to create a gallery wall of just images from the wedding. But I'm playing around. I absolutely love the way they've turned out so far. So depending on how much space I have above the sofa, I will be adding more. There I am being silly, still dancing, still motivated. Excited about getting this place finally whipped up into shape. So now you see it's starting to take shape and look like something. I start each routine in my living room by fluffing my pillows. I like to rotate them periodically just to preserve the life of the pillows and the cushions. Nothing like a nice fluffy pillow to give the couch a totally different look. I'm removing pictures from the wall because, again, I'm going to totally revamp the space and give it a little spring sprucing up. Doing the same on the sofa. Removing that large picture because that is where I'm gonna house my photo gallery, or begin my photo gallery. So it will be a collection of sorts. So I'll take my time and just add to it as I see fit to do so. As I purchase different ones, I'll add them to the wall. But fluffing out that pillow, I absolutely love, you guys. If you follow my channel, you know that I'm a lover of all things blue, and the aqua being my favorite shade of the blue. I love the fact that I kept true to my love of the blue, but I wanted to add something a little different, so I decided to go with this beautiful peach color, or blushy tone. I absolutely love that for spring. It's gorgeous. It screams spring. It makes me feel welcome and inviting when I step in my home. I just love a nice inviting space. So here I am. After I fluff the pillows out, I'm moving on to my tables. I remove everything and give everything a good scrubbing down or wiping down. And for that, I'm going to use my trusty pledge, you guys. Again, you know I'm an old school cleaner, so when I find something that works for me, I stick with it. Now, I will say that I have, in times past, tried different products to see if they were lived up to the hype of it all, but I always find that I go back to what I know to be tried and true, and for me, Pledge just works wonders. I love it's not a high glossy shine, but it cleans it and it repels the dust, so I don't have to dust as often. But when I do, I can definitely tell the difference. I am wiping every nook and cranny of my table because I want to get them all nice and spruced up for spring. And here I'm just cleaning all of my glass pieces with just a warm, wet cloth. It does the trick for me. No products needed there. And here, you guys, I'm using my Swiffer dusters. They are amazing. If you haven't used them, I would definitely advise you to add this to your cleaning inventory. It is a lifesaver. I'm here just raising my windows, just cleaning everything out from floor to ceiling, and it is amazing. The Swiffer dusters attracts the dust, so there's no dust flying all over as you're cleaning. You just wipe and keep it moving. And I'm using the extended one so that it gives me that liberty to extend it for hard to reach places. And I'm also using the 360 duster, so the duster is on both sides, so I don't have to flip the duster from side to side. This allows me to just keep it moving. Moving my curtain so I can clean and sweep. Again, moving on to the coffee table, doing the same thing, removing everything and giving it all a nice thorough cleaning. Adding my pledge. And now you guys, for my glass and mirrors, I used my tried and true technique of one warm wet towel and I follow up with one dry towel. Now I'm using the terry cloth towels and I buy them in a set of 18 from Walmart for $3. And this is what I use and have used for years to clean all of my mirrors and windows. You'll see me doing the same thing here for my big mirror. Just a simple warm wet cloth. Then I follow up with a dry cloth. Again, if I find something that works, I don't try to change it. If it's done broke, I don't fix it. So you see me here, I'm dancing, I'm enjoying myself. You guys believe it or not, I love cleaning my home and I want to be motivated while I'm doing so. So the music is bumping and I'm just enjoying myself. Finishing up here, you guys, with my vacuuming. Now here, some of the footage was deleted when I was actually doing the pictures and different things like that. So I will be sure to add a clip of that. Now, if you haven't, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Join the TMB family. I would love to interact with you on my other social media sites, TMB Designs 2 on Facebook, TMB Designs 2 on Instagram. Until the next video, you guys, have a blessed and beautiful, beautiful day. I hope I motivated you to get cleaning. You know what I'm going to say. Smooches.